This is the BYD ATTO 3. You may never heard of the brand BYD before.
The vehicle comes equipped with a durable battery, specifically a Blade battery, which redefines safety standards in electric vehicles. It also offers plenty of range with up to 420 kilometers.
And for the ATTO 3 specifically, they produced over 500,000 units. Overall, a nice exterior design, a minimalist front, we've got a nice sleek design at the back, but there's a lot more to talk about on the inside, so we'll jump inside. So we have a nice steering wheel, it looks good, it feels good, it's practical, the buttons even feel good to the touch. We have a small digital dash display, but in contrast to the small dash display, the infotainment screen is huge. It's like an iPad. Overall, the interior design is very minimalist, but the build quality is excellent. Driving the car, it's very practical, it's very comfortable, it's smooth, it's quiet, the cabin is well insulated. As an electric car, I think this stacks as amongst the best EV amongst its competitors within this price range. I find the voice command in this car really useful. For example, I fancy a cup of coffee. Hi BYD, can you make me a cup of coffee? I don't think it's capable of that.